Hello, and welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, you'll need a pencil and a pen as we learn how to draw a squid. Follow along with this simple tutorial at home and see what you can create. Let's start by marking an egg shape in the middle of our page. Mark a line cutting through the egg and draw a rounded triangle shape, almost like you're drawing a hat. Then, draw 2 small circles around where the cheeks would be. From here, we're going to add 6 wiggly lines that will be our squid's tentacles. Starting near the middle, mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wiggly lines. Now it's time to draw 2 more big tentacles either side. On one side, mark a curved line downwards, bringing it back up to finish it off with a rounded top, like a lasso shape. Repeat this on the other side. If you've made it this far, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now we've done all that, it's time to switch to our pen to draw over our sketch layer and add in some character details. We're going to start at the top of the triangle. Bring your pen down, and when marking over the corner, make sure that it's rounded. Squids don't have sharp corners. Moving over to the face, we're going to draw over our 2 smaller circles. These will be the squid's eyes. Mark a slightly bigger circle around the original circle. These will accentuate his googly eyes. From the top of the eyes, follow along your sketch layer. But be careful not to join the circle at the top. We can do the same on the opposite side. Next, we're going to draw around each tentacle line by marking around our sketch line and looping back up. We've nearly completed our squid illustration. All that is left to do is going over the larger tentacles and adding some details. Begin by drawing around our sketch line. When reaching the top loop, draw out and bring your pen back to a top central point, then bringing it back down. This should look like a teardrop shape. Once this is done, bring your pen back down to join the squid's body. We're going to do the same technique on our last tentacle. Now it's time for our favourite part, which is to mark in the finer details that will really bring our squid to life. On the head of our squid, we can mark in a few spots. We can imagine our squid having a polka dot-like pattern on it. Randomly spread out your circles. Inside the larger tentacles, we're going to add in some suckers. Draw in small circles, as many as you want. Inside these tentacles, mark in dots in the center. Do the same on the other tentacle. Then, inside the squid's eyes, mark in some slits by filling in long, thin rectangles. At the end, you'll be able to rub out our pencil markings. But make sure you wait for the pen to dry first so you're not left with smudges. Now that's how you draw a Twinkl squid. We hope you've enjoyed this video. And look out for the next Twinkl How to Draw video, where we'll be showing you something else that you can draw with just a few simple shapes.